Have you ever felt overwhelmed by financial decisions? Many of us have. Unfortunately, our education system often falls short in teaching us essential financial skills. In this video, we'll explore the importance of financial knowledge and discuss some key concepts that schools often overlook. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and manage money effectively. It's a crucial skill that can have a significant impact on your quality of life. Without financial knowledge, you may find yourself making poor financial decisions that can lead to debt, stress, and missed opportunities. Here are some essential financial concepts that schools often don't teach. Budgeting. Creating a budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you spend within your means. Saving. Setting aside money for future goals like retirement or emergencies is crucial for financial security. Investing. Understanding investment options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds can help you grow your wealth over time. Debt management. Learning how to manage debt responsibly can prevent financial ruin. Credit scores. Understanding your credit score and how it affects your financial life is essential. Financial education can provide numerous benefits, including reduced stress. Understanding your finances can reduce financial anxiety and stress. Increased financial security. Financial knowledge can help you make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. Enhanced decision-making. Financial literacy can improve your ability to make sound financial decisions. Improved quality of life. Financial stability can lead to a higher quality of life and greater peace of mind. There are many resources available to help you learn more about finance. Consider taking a personal finance course. Many community colleges and online platforms offer personal finance courses. Reading personal finance books. There are countless books available on personal finance topics. Watching financial education videos, YouTube and other online platforms offer a wealth of financial education content. Seeking professional advice. If you have complex financial questions, consider consulting with a financial advisor. Financial knowledge is a valuable asset that can empower you to take control of your financial future. By understanding basic financial concepts and making informed decisions, you can achieve your financial goals and live a more fulfilling life. Subscribe to the Hustle Highway for more financial advice and tips. Share your experiences with financial education and ask questions in the comments section.